So you need more cars in your shop this week, but you don't have a lot of money or a lot of time to go out and get them. Now, in today's video, we're going to talk about 3 quick and easy, and most importantly, free ways to get those customers in right away. Hi, my name is Ron Ipak. Thanks for watching today's video. Now, as I mentioned, there are 3 quick and easy and free ways to get customers in your shop. But before we talk about that, we need to decide who we want to attract to our shop. Now, because we're looking for a quick and easy and free way to get customers in the shop on this video, I'm going to tell you there's only one group of people that you want to be attracting to your shop, and they are your customers, people that have already done business with you, people that already know, love, and trust you. Now, why am I talking about getting your own customers back in the shop? Because it's 10 times easier, 10 times less expensive, and 10 times faster to get somebody that you already have a relationship with back to your shop than it is to go out and get a brand new customer. Now that we've covered who we want to attract, let's talk about those 3 free, quick, and easy ways to get them into the shop. Number 1, send them a text. Everybody's got a mobile phone. Everybody uses text. Just go ahead and send them a good offer via text and let them know that all they need to do is come in the shop or be one of the first 10 people to respond, and they're going to get a special offer just by responding so quickly. The second way is to send them an email. Email takes a little bit longer to do, but you're going to send the exact same message via email. The only problem with email is a lot of people don't read their emails right away, so that email may be sitting in their inbox for weeks and weeks and weeks unread. As I look at my computer, I've got over 100,000 unread emails, so maybe it would take over a year for me to respond to that email if you sent it to me, but it's still a great way to do that, and heck, it's free. You already have their cell phone number, you already have their email address, go ahead and send them a text or an email. Now, the third way to do it, and I think it's going to be the most effective, but it's probably the thing you're going to least likely want to do, is just go pick up the phone and start dialing for dollars. Call your previous customers, people that have already been in your shop. Maybe it's been a long time since you've seen them. Maybe they were in recently, but they declined some services. Look, if you need car count, that's the quickest and easiest way to get them in the door. A personal phone call is going to be a whole lot better than sending an email and sending a text, but it is going to take a little bit more work. And it may not be fun, but it's going to be the most effective. Remember, you need cars and you don't have the money to get people in. This is a great way to get that done. Now, finally, let's talk about the offer. You've got to give them a reason to respond right now. So if you really, really, really need those customers, give them a killer offer to get them in the door. If you don't need them that bad, well, give them a really wimpy offer to get them in the door. Now, I'll leave that up to you. Some of our clients give up to $50 to have somebody come in the door because, look, you can't make any money off a car that's driving down the street, right? You got to get that car into the shop, and by giving away $50 off of any service, that's going to get those cars in the shop. But if you're a little squeamish about that, maybe take it down to $25, or maybe offer them that free oil change if they come in right now. Now, trust me, if you do this, if you market to the right people, the right ways with the killer offers, you will get more customers in your shop for free. Now, if you like this video, please do me a ginormous favor. Go down below the video, like the video, make comments on it. If you're watching this on YouTube, please click the subscribe button. That way you're going to see these videos and you're going to get the best, most up-to-date information to help your shop succeed. Thanks for watching.